How to sign in Peacock or log into Peacock. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign in Peacock or log into Peacock, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign in or maybe just log into your Peacock app, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Peacock TV application here. If you have not created an account, you can tap on the pick a plan option to create your account. If you already have an account, you can tap the sign in button from the top right hand side to sign in. Now all you have to do is make sure to enter the email address associated with your Peacock TV account. Similarly, make sure to enter your password. Tap on sign in and you should be successfully signed into your account. If you don't know what password you typed in, you can tap the I icon here to view your current password. If you are not sure that you forgot your password, then you can tap on the forgot password option to reset them accordingly. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically sign into Peacock. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.